Hey friends, welcome back to Doodle the Travel Bug and another installment of Graveyard Picnics. And today our dinner guest is Paul Lynde, and we are resurrecting one of Paul's favorite recipes. Paul Lynde was born in Mount Vernon, Ohio, and went to Mount Vernon High School in 1944. He's laid to rest near his hometown in Amity Cemetery. We're driving to Amity Cemetery now. Do you know what Amity means?
If this has a Jaws reference, I'm going to be really disappointed.
Amity, as you know, means friendship.
Great.
Okay, everybody, we're at the grave of Paul Lynde, and I think you know who it is because somebody left a picture. Which show do you remember? Did I have you guys watch in the car on the iPad?
Bewitched.
Bewitched! And it's a good one, isn't it?
Yeah.
So he played Uncle Arthur, who's a series regular. Actually, I would say, wouldn't you say in Bewitched it was usually like the supporting cast who were the best? You know,
I liked them all, but yeah, he was definitely a good character.
And anytime the mom showed up, oh, just
the mom was a crazy one.
Yeah, and anybody from Samantha's family, basically.
Let's open it.
So, it's a graveyard picnic. Do you know what we're having, Alec?
Mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese? No, not mac and cheese. So, we are eating from the Dead Celebrity Cookbook. There is a recipe in here from Paul himself. So, this is actually something he would make.
Ready?
It's the stew.
Last night's dinner. Beef stew. So, you can screenshot the recipe here, but I did take a note from the author here. It says, the hearty taste of Lynde's stew will take you back to childhood in a good way, but unfortunately so will the mushy consistency of all the canned vegetables. So to update it, use fresh veggies, and I did do that. So I cheated a little bit, Paul, I'm sorry, but it did turn out delicious. So Paul Lynde was he's kind of like his character on Bewitched. He was a jokester, he was very sarcastic, and he's probably even better known. Do you know what else he did, Jim? He was the center square. And he was and he was always the center square and he was just a really likable guy in Hollywood. And I remember watching that with my grandma. So he's just really sarcastic and he had a funny answer for everything.
Does Mark Spitz believe swimming in the nude helps you go faster?
Well, it's easier to stare.
And you can see with all the coins and pretty rocks and flowers left that he is very missed. What do you think of Paul's stew? Good. Yummy. So what do you think? Is this going to be in our lineup, Jim?
Coming all the way out here to eat stew? No.
No, do you think this will be our stew recipe from now on?
Nah, it's pretty good stew.
It's good stew.
Yeah.
Definitely go with the fresh veggies, though. Nobody wants to eat canned onions and carrots and potatoes.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodle Bug goes next.